Hey Rockstars, what's up? Yo,
On the market for proven suspension?
yeah, actually.
Maybe some coilovers that can take you to the track and to work?
Ooh, yeah.
Want to be extra careful around speed bumps?
I know I look cool. Yeah, you do, bruh.
Well, guess what? Special deals available now that I'm not allowed to advertise.
Yeah, I've heard that one before.
Ha! You caught me. But hey,
Yeah?
we just want to talk to you.
Oh, okay.
And I promise we'll get you the best deal.
How can I get in touch with you guys?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Send us a message on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, email, or just give us a good old-fashioned
What?
phone call.
Oh,
Spring rates available 10 front, 8 rear. If you're local, ask about installation. We'd be happy to help, along with the proper alignment to finish the job. And if you aren't local, guess what? We'll ship it to you. Let us know. So when you're ready to slow tackle those dips, potholes, and train track, the list goes on and on. Hey, let's not forget about canyons, back roads, parking lots, or the track. You're gonna look cool. Not to mention high quality suspension to keep you planted. Whatever it is, we'll be waiting to hear from you.